Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to OZR Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in our beautiful region of Sapanca and I would like to introduce such a luxury detached style villa project for you. And what we have as a general specification for this beautiful luxury villa project, we have 5,600 square meters project area. On this 5,600 square meters project area, we have 13 detached style villas and each villas are containing 250 square meters grocery inside it, which is coming with 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms and 1 living room. And when we look at the architecture design of these beautiful villas, we have basically duplex design, but we have third floor as a terrace. Each villa has individual parking lot section and you can access to your property easily from your parking lot too. We have very chic entrance section of the property, and this property, I have to mention that suiting for the citizenship program. Entrance section of the property on ground floor, what we have 1W section. Next to it we have 1 living room. Next to it we have kitchen and 1 guest room. I want to keep continuing my tour directly from the living room section. We have natural gas system which is working under the floor. As additional, we have active chimney section over here, and you can see the channel of the chimney. It is getting tied with the master room. And when we consider the size of the garden for each property, we have approximately 350 square meters up to 450 square meters usage area for the gardens too. And on the left section directly next to living room, we have kitchen section over here too. And when I look the materials inside the kitchen, for instance, we have chimstone style countertop. As additional, we have acrylic style kitchen cabinets over here too. And also you can access the veranda from kitchen and living room too, and look at that beautiful scenery when you are making your dinner with your family, with your friends over here, and you can get the pleasure of the beautiful scenery of the Sapanca Lake too. And also after getting the settle of document, you can cover here and you can use this section, you can convert the veranda section as the dining room section too. Right over here we have 1 children room or guest room. This room has its own full bathroom too. So when we reach the first floor of this property, room sections are welcoming us. What we have on the first floor, we have 1, 2, 3 rooms. So I want to start my tour on first floor, room for kids section. When we reach the section, room for kids section on the first floor is welcoming us, and as you see on the video, each room on the first floor has its own bathroom too. Directly next to it, we have 1 more room for kids section too. And right over here, you can see the full attached bathroom inside this room too. And look at that beautiful scenery. We are directly looking for the Sapanca Lake too. I want to show the last parts as a room. This is the master room, but before getting inside the master room, there is a storage area is available over here. So it's time to discover the master room section of this property. When we look at the usage area of the master room, we have such a spacious usage area inside this room too. And again, we have full attached bathroom inside the master room too. And as additional, we have such a spacious balcony section from the master room too, and it is looking for the directly green valley. After the green valley, we have beautiful Sapanca Lake too. So it's time to discover the best part of this villa. So when I was going to the terrace, I want to get your attention because there is 1 more nice details available. You have 1 more kitchen section over here. You can see the pipe for the connection for the tap, and the construction company is gonna put a small kitchen cabinet over here too. So it's time to discover that beautiful terrace and that beautiful, amazing Sapanca Lake view too. We have such a huge terrace all around us, surrounded by beautiful green nature of the Sapanca. Directly I'm looking for the Sapanca Lake, and behind me and all around us is surrounded by beautiful green nature of the Sapanca too. This is the situation of our properties. If you want to get the further information about the price list, please check the description section of the video, or you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and fi aman Allah.